Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play old Girlska games. Many classic online games from years past relied on Adobe Flash Player, which is no longer supported by modern web browsers. This means those beloved titles are unplayable directly. However, there are excellent solutions available that allow you to revisit and enjoy thousands of these nostalgic games safely and easily. We will explore the best ways to bring those cherished games back to life, ensuring you can play them again. One of the best and most comprehensive solutions is the Flashpoint Project. This free, community-driven initiative has preserved over 100,000 web games, including many from Girlska Games. To get started, download the Flashpoint Infinity version from their official website. This option offers a smaller initial download, letting you stream games as you play. Once installed, simply open the application and use the search bar to find your favorite titles. Another excellent option involves using browser extensions or visiting dedicated online archives. Extensions like Ruffle can emulate Flash content directly within your web browser, allowing many games to run on their original websites. Simply install the extension, and it will often automatically enable Flash content. Additionally, several online archives specifically host playable versions of classic Flash games. These sites typically use built-in emulators, making thousands of titles accessible without needing any software downloads. To ensure the best possible gameplay experience, consider a few tips. Always keep your web browser and operating system updated for optimal performance. Many games play best in full-screen mode, so look for that option within the game or emulator. If you encounter issues, community forums are a fantastic resource for troubleshooting and finding specific game advice. Finally, remember to explore different archives and emulators, as some may host games or versions that others do not.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.